In a small town, legend spoke of the silver arrow, cursed to bring misfortune to its owner. One day, a clumsy archer named Bob found it. "I'm invincible now," he boasted, shooting arrows everywhere. But every shot missed, hitting trees, signs, even a passing squirrel. His friend Tom laughed. "Bob, maybe the curse is just bad aim." Bob shrugged. "At least I won't hit anyone." Just then, the arrow ricocheted, landing in Bob's hat. "See?" Bob grinned. "It's a self-correcting curse." Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.